Pregnancy is a beautiful journey. But did you know that some common diet mistakes could put you and your baby at risk? Many expecting mothers unknowingly make food choices that can be harmful. But don't worry, in this video we will reveal the top diet mistakes pregnant women should avoid to ensure a healthy pregnancy. Stay with us till the end to keep you and your little one safe. 1. Skipping meals or eating too little. Many moms-to-be think they should eat less to avoid excessive weight gain, but skipping meals can lead to low blood sugar, weakness, and even developmental issues for your baby. Your baby needs a constant supply of nutrients to grow properly. Instead of skipping meals, opt for smaller, frequent, and balanced meals to keep energy levels stable. 2. Consuming too much caffeine. We all love our morning coffee, but too much caffeine during pregnancy can increase the risk of miscarriage and low birth weight. Experts recommend limiting caffeine intake to 200 milligrams per day. That's about 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. Try switching to herbal tea or warm lemon water for a healthier alternative. 3. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration during pregnancy can cause dizziness, swelling, and even preterm labor. Water helps carry nutrients to your baby and keeps your body functioning smoothly. Make sure to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily and add hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges to your diet. Eating too much. Processed and junk food. Cravings can be intense, but processed foods are high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These can lead to excessive weight gain, high blood pressure, and even gestational diabetes instead. Opt for homemade snacks like yogurt with fruits nuts or whole grain crackers with cheese to satisfy cravings the healthy way. 5. Undercooked or raw. Foods a big no. Raw or undercooked meats, sushi, soft cheeses, and unpasteurized dairy can carry harmful bacteria like Listeria and Salmonella, which can lead to severe infections. Always cook meats thoroughly and choose pasteurized dairy products to protect yourself and your baby. 6. Ignoring iron-rich foods. Iron is crucial during pregnancy as it helps produce red blood cells and prevents anemia. Low iron levels can cause fatigue and complications during childbirth. Include iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, red meat, and fortified cereals in your daily meals. Pairing them with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges enhances iron absorption. Not getting enough folic acid. Folic acid is essential for your baby's brain and spinal cord development. A deficiency can lead to neural tube defects. Make sure to consume foods rich in folate, such as leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals, or take a prenatal vitamin as recommended by your doctor. 8. Eating too much mercury-rich fish. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, but some fish, like swordfish, king mackerel, and shark, have high mercury levels, which can harm your baby's nervous system. Instead, choose safer options like salmon, trout, and shrimp, but limit it to 2 to 3 servings per week. 9. Overeating. Eating for 2. Myth. Many believe that pregnancy means eating for 2. But in reality, your body only needs about 300 extra calories per day in the 2nd and 3rd trimesters. Overeating can lead to excessive weight gain, gestational diabetes, and delivery complications. Focus on nutrient-dense meals rather than just increasing quantity. Thus, too much sugar intake. Sugary foods and drinks can spike blood sugar levels, increasing the risk of gestational diabetes. Instead of sweets and sodas, satisfy your sweet tooth with fruits, dark chocolate, or yogurt-based desserts to maintain a balanced diet. Now that you know these diet mistakes, you can make better choices for a safe and healthy pregnancy. Remember, every bite you take affects your baby's growth and well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with expecting mothers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more pregnancy health tips.